As a freelance SEO consultant managing more than 10 client websites, I used to switch between 6 different SEO tools and spend nearly 3 hours building reports and landing pages for every client. For this project, I replaced my usual SEO workflow with one AI operator, MuleRun, and generated an SEO-ready website in under 5 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. I honestly thought MuleRun was just another AI tool, but after using it on a real client project, I realized it's much closer to an AI operator. Instead of helping with one task, it manages the entire SEO workflow from research to publishing. I'm using a real project today, so let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. Inside MuleRun, I simply typed, "Analyze the top competitors in this niche and break down their SEO strategy." Instead of giving generic answers, it asked a few follow-up questions, analyzed competitor websites, extracted their page structures, reviewed their content strategies, and showed me exactly why they rank. Normally, I'd jump between Ahrefs, SEMrush, Google Sheets, and ChatGPT. Here, everything happened in one workflow. Next, I asked, build a keyword strategy based on competitor gaps and search intent. Rather than dumping hundreds of keywords into a spreadsheet, MuleRun grouped everything by search intent, highlighted keyword gaps, and created an SEO roadmap I could actually use for content planning. Here's the part that surprised me. Instead of opening the dashboard again, I simply sent MuleRun a WhatsApp message asking for an SEO report on a website. A few moments later, it generated the report automatically. Being able to trigger real SEO work directly from WhatsApp feels completely different from using traditional SEO software. After that, I told MuleRun to create a fully SEO-optimized landing page using all the research it had already completed. Within minutes, it generated the hero section, copywriting, FAQs, CTAs, and the entire page structure based on the competitor research. Then I clicked Publish. Make sure the recording clearly shows the live published URL opening in a new browser window. This isn't just a prototype, it's a live hosted website that's ready to use. The whole workflow shown here took less than 5 minutes. Need to update something later? Instead of editing code, I simply selected a section and typed, "Replace these icons with modern SaaS icons." Done. I also changed the entire color palette, refreshed the page, and everything updated while keeping the SEO structure intact. After testing it on a real workflow, I understand why people call MuleRun an AI operator instead of just another AI tool. It handled competitor research, keyword strategy, landing page generation, publishing, and ongoing edits without making me jump between multiple platforms. If you work in SEO, marketing, or content creation, it's definitely worth trying. Use my exclusive MuleRun link in the description and enter my discount code to get your special offer. I'll leave both the exclusive link and the code in the description below. Until next video, take care and bye-bye.